Cotton gauze fabric, sometimes referred to as baby muslin, is thin and translucent with a loose, open weave. This 100% cotton fabric is light and airy, which makes it great for baby wraps and blankets and comfortable, lightweight clothing. Its crinkly textured material has a soft hand and supple drape, so it's a good choice for sheer curtains. Cotton gauze should be hand-washed in cold water, but can also be washed in a machine on delicate to avoid shrinkage and damage. Hang dry or tumble dry on low with no heat. Working with gauze isn't difficult, but here are a few tips. Gauze is pretty slippery, so cut with sharpened scissors or a rotary cutter with a new blade. Use sharp pins when pinning, and mark your notches instead of cutting, since cuts in this fabric can be a little hard to see. When sewing, use a longer stitch length to avoid puckering. Finish the seams with a serger, zigzag stitch, or fray check to keep the fabric from unraveling. So check out our selection of cotton gauze fabric for your next project.